I'm back in far north Queensland, my home, and I'm planning on exploring it just like I would anywhere else in the world. So today I'm going to do the Devil's Thumb track. So if you plan on doing it, then this is what you can expect. Seems to me that little children lead the way, so it mustn't be too hard. Fairly soon after you start your walk through a property, I think it might be the kind of playhouse, I don't know. Then you'll see the manicured lawn and the building on the left of you. And then directly after it, after that old car, you'll find this beautiful little creek. So if it's not too late when I come back, that'll be where I'll be stopping to have a swim and cool down. 5.3 kilometers to the lookout. Walkers should have climbing skills, above average fitness, and at least 5 hours of remaining sunlight. I think I tick those boxes, so let's go. This plant here, it's called a wait a while, because they have these kind of vine tentacle things that come off of it, but the thorns go back towards the plant. So when you get hooked up on it, when you walk away, you don't graze past like a pandanus, you actually get caught up. And if you get caught up by a lot of them, then you're stuck and you'll have to wait a while until your friends come and pull you out. Look at how vicious the spikes are on this thing. Look at that. Massive. So I'm at the 1 kilometer mark, and something that became quite apparent is you don't get like a warm up on flat ground pretty much after 100 meters or so. It's just incline and it just keeps on going. But it's not like difficult, especially when the ground is dry. It's all very well worn. If you can see that, it's all really well worn. Now and then you'll have a wait a while over the path or a log just to hop over, but so far it's quite easy. Cardiovascularly, not so easy. Your ankles will be all right. On the way up, that is. Down is always different. I'm about 3 kilometers in now, and the geography's changed a little. It's still a fairly steep incline, but because we have a thick rainforest canopy, the shrubbery around the base is more clear. So I really like to walk through this kind of area. But I don't know if you can hear or you can see, it's raining. I had a feeling it would rain today. It had already started before I left, just showers, and I was hoping it would clear. But the reason that I will go on rainy days is because if I don't go the days that I have free, then it's just not going to happen. So don't wait for perfect conditions, just do it. And if you have to turn back sometimes, you just turn back, but it's worth it. So I'll keep walking through the canopy part, and then if it comes out to a clearing, I'll stop and wait for the rain to pass. It didn't stop raining, so I didn't stop going. A mistake I did make was assuming that there'd be places to fill up my water bottle on the way up. So I guzzled all of my water down pretty quickly, and now I'm out. But they're the mistakes that I make. Always. Finally, a clearing. Oh, it's just all been uphill. It's a hard hike. Here we go. Must be getting close now. Got the clouds rolling in. Of course, during a nice day, you'd have a crazy view out there. Sorry about that. Got a leech. He'll slowly climb up to my skin and then start bleeding me dry. Head off. Ah. That's pretty much what they do. They start swinging around until something walks by and hits them. Surely we're nearing the top now, but I just wanted to point out these ferns. Oh, they're nearly as tall as I am. It's really cool. Oh. Going up into that view behind us. Where is it? There, I love that. Nice. There's two. Oh, come on. I just haven't the heart to separate the two. Where's that little one? There we go. If you get them early, you can just flick them off. Oh, now he's on my finger. They are everywhere. There's another one. I found a couple up in my pants. I think they like the warm area, but I mean, they're pretty harmless. I've stopped because, man, there's leeches everywhere. But I'm pretty sure I got one up in my groin here. Where is he? Yep. There he is. Oh, there's more than one. I have to deal with that. Look at them fatties. Surely they're going to drop off soon, or I'll pass out. You know you're up in the clouds when everything gets like a thick pillow of moss. I really like it. Ah, man, it just never ends. It is a never-ending battle with the leeches. They are getting everywhere now, and I mean everywhere. I had to drop my dacks back there just to get them all off. And yes, there were some found in the nether years. Getting really close now. So our path is up that stick. They have a rope. There's the rope to help you along. And there's a big hole down there. Oh, I don't mind them below the knees, but when they get near my goods, that's a no-go. All right. Foot there. Maybe I went the wrong way. Maybe you can go on the other rock too. Let's see. So by the look of it, I'm assuming this is split rock. Man, the clouds is racing past. Benefit me going closer. I don't want to risk it. So either this is the Devil's Thumb or Split Rock, I'm not really sure. It's starting to rain heavy again. Okay. Whew. Either the descent or lunch in some shelter. Or lookout, I'm not sure. Okay, bye. Well, that was one properly soggy mess. But I enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. But just be prepared for leeches, and they travel fast. I think I kept on flicking them off in front of me, and they just reattach themselves. But a thorough groin inspection is necessary when you get home. Okay, see ya.